Let us see how we can create styles in our workbook. So we want to see how we can create styles. Let's first take an example. So what I want to do here is to apply different cell styles. In A2, we want the value to become bold, like this. In A3, we want the size to become 20, and we also want the color to change to red. And in A4, we want the value to become, let's say, center aligned. And in A5, we want a border to be applied like this. So you get the idea, right? We want to make four different changes to four different cells: A2, A3, A4, and A5. So I'm closing the workbook without saving it. And let's see how we can create different styles. The first thing I want to do is to import from OpenPy Excel dot styles. I want to import font, color, alignment, border, side, and colors, right? So once we have done this, we can then create a few styles of our own. So bold underscore font is equal to font bold is equal to true. This one is simple enough. Then let's say I want to create big red text. This is equal to font. I want to keep the color as colors dot red, and I want to keep the size as 20. Then we want to keep our alignment. So center underscore aligned underscore text is equal to alignment, and I want to keep my horizontal alignment as center. And for the border, let's give a name, let's say square border. Now this one will be a little longer because we have to apply a border on every single side. So we say that border top is equal to double border, and then let's say the one on the right is also equal to a double border, and the one at the bottom is equal to a double border, and then one final time the one on the left is equal to a double border. Once we have done this, now we can style our cells. So what we're doing is, this is what we imported, and these are the style names that we have created. Remember, this is just a variable name: bold font, big red text, center line, and square border. Now we want to say that sheet A2 dot font is equal to bold underscore font. Then we say that sheet A3 dot font is equal to big red font. For the value in sheet cell A4, I want to keep alignment. Let's just fix this. Dot alignment is equal to center aligned text. And then finally in the cell A5, I want to keep a border which is equal to my square border. And finally, we want to save our workbook. And let's call this samples underscore styles dot xlsx. It says double underscore border underscore side is not defined. Okay, wait a minute. I think I forgot to define this. So double underscore border underscore side is equal to side border. What would this be? Side border underscore style, and we say is equal to double, like this, right? So we run this and we are still getting an error. Let's quickly check. This is big red text. All right, excellent. So we have created a new workbook called samples underscore styles. Let's go back and check. So sample underscore styles, and if you notice, we have the formats applied like this, right? So we have bold, we have a double border, we have the center align, and we have the font size is 20 and the color as red.